Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. I saw in the comment section someone asked for a video on how I maintain my hair. It was Rabelani, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm sorry I took time, but here you here you go. I have low porosity hair, and porosity is how well your hair absorbs moisture. So my hair takes time to absorb moisture, and the moisture takes, like, it leaves quickly from my hair. So yeah, you can just imagine it's complicated, but that's fine. There are several methods you can use to maintain hair. I personally use the LCO method. L standing for liquid, which in this case is water, and then C standing for cream, which in my case I use a leave-in conditioner, and the O stands for oil. Yeah, oil. So I prefer this LCO method because I use the water, warm water to be specific, to open up the cuticles of my hair, and then I use cream to moisturize my hair, and then the oil to lock in the moisture. I don't know if you understand, but I feel like I've explained it better. So let me show you the products I use and the method I use to do all of this. Okay, this is a hairspray. This is what sta-sof-fro. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, sta-sof-fro hairspray. I use this when my hair is extra dry. You know, sometimes you don't have time to do hair, so you might find out the hair is too tangled. Okay, I'm not saying it's a good thing to leave your hair like that, but we are always busy. We can't always have time for hair. So now when my hair is that tangled, or if I leave my hair for certain days, like 2 to 3 days, it becomes so matted. So I use this one. This is my lifesaver, guys. This. Yeah. But then for today, my hair is not dry. I moisturized it yesterday, so it's not dry. So I'm not gonna use this. And then here, it's the same spray, but different brands. Same spray, different brands. But then for this one, the spray is finished, and then I just put in warm water. Yeah, warm water. But then if you have a high porosity hair, I don't think it's you really have to use warm water. I don't think so, because your hair can absorb moisture very easily. So I don't think you can use warm water. But if you can, use it. And then we have a leave-in conditioner, which I'm gonna use as my cream. Yeah, it's from Clicks. I know I said I won't go to Clicks anymore, but hey, guys, there's no other shop here, so don't judge me. We move on, like my people. We move on. And then we have this oil. I think you saw it in my previous video. Yeah, it's not the normal oil I use, so we work with what we have. Let me just show you how I use all of this combined, and then yeah, let's get into the video. I would recommend you work in sections, because you can't just do a big chunk of hair and expect it to be moisturized, because every strand needs moisture. So you need to work in sections. Be gentle, be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. Okay, my hair is not dry, and as I've said, so I'm not gonna use that spray. Yeah, let's start with this. So you use water first. This is the liquid. You can work your water like into the hair. my hair loosens up, guys, with water. So you see, okay, I need a trim. I know. From there you use your cream. This is still new, that's why it's so hard. Come on. Okay, this is my cream. Don't forget the roots, guys. They are so important. Make sure every strand gets the cream, and then from there we lock in the moisture with an oil. And I use this brand, this oil, because look at this, it's a light oil, so I don't want to use a heavy oil because as it is, my hair doesn't absorb moisture that well, so I can't use a heavy cream because it's just gonna make things even harder. And then from there you can twist this section if you want. I'm just gonna twist it. And then you continue to the next section after this. Let me show you guys another section. Here you go. Water first, and then you work your way into the section. Guys, work with small sections because I feel like it's way easier, and each strand gets the moisture, and then the cream. And then the oil. I wasn't sure about the oil at first, but then I love it. I love it, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing. And then after, it's up to you whether you decide to tie the hair. You can do a twist. It's up to you, but I usually do twist. And then once I'm done, I leave my hair in this twist for like 2 to 3 days, and then I just moisturize my hair in this twist because I try to avoid stressing my hair too much. So yeah, guys, you just repeat the same thing throughout the hair. I'm not gonna show it because I feel like this video is just gonna be long and boring because it's really the same process: liquid, cream, and oil. And this is not the only method you can use. You can use the lock method, which is the liquid, oil, and cream, but I personally prefer this one, this method. So this should be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we can all agree that if you watched it till this point, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.